What is up, gamers? Today, we have a Throne Strike Spider. Which, I don't know why it's called a Throne Strike, but you know what? It is Wheelie Mode, apparently, so we're gonna figure this out. Alright, now that I can actually see what I'm doing. Wow. Okay, wait, hold up. Yo, that's fire, actually. Okay, yeah, let's get this all broken down. Okay. Supposedly this thing's supposed to be kind of light. Oh, yeah, it's extremely light. Hold up. Yo, that purple is so nice. Okay, I cannot express how cool this purple is. But I got the Grape Soda kind, so that's why it looks the way it does. So it just like, it has a rod in there, but then it has this rod? What? You know, there might be instructions, now that I think about it. There was that other box, I guess, in this battery. This is most definitely the battery. This is heavy as all hell. Yeah, that's the battery. So that'll, like, yeah, that'll slot in here. Quick release if you want to get, like, a, I don't know, a chai or something. Oh, cool. There's keys. On, off. This the, you know, I'm not gonna touch that yet. Ooh, yay. What? Yeah, this is, you know, I kind of needed one of these. Ooh, it comes with an Allen key set. Oh, that's the blade. So these are all-around tools. Here's the pedals. Yep, need those. I have some extra pedals. I'll put those on. Ooh, yay. Is this the charger? This is the charger. What's it rated for? Hertz. 240 volts. 2 amp hour, or 2 amps. There's like literally nothing other than like this key set. This is a Throne multi-tool, which is awesome. Not like branded Throne or anything, but yeah. Yes, it's not manga. I know how to read. Uh-huh. Note to parents, I don't care. Bike details. Cool. Battery keys, front wheel. How do they have that set up? Okay. The plan is to just pick this up with little effort because it's like 20 pounds. Struggles, anyways. I need to stop hitting the front brake. It's making everything harder. Wait, what if I just flip it upside down like a normal bike? I'm just genuinely dumb. We're just gonna that like that. That like that. And this like that. And this like that. Yay! Let's do battery next, because that seems like it'll be the easiest. Right? No. Right? Okay. Keys are some over right there. Okay. I guess let's get this bike up and fix the bars. That's fine. And check the damage. No! I've already mucked it up. No! That's fire, though. Sorry, bike. Right, okay. Yeah, that's not correct at all. I should have just left some of the foam on. Especially on the back. Man, that, like, dips over a lot. Snappy throttle. Okay, let me go grab that thing so I can get the wheels all mounted up right. Scratching the camera. Okay. I have these pedals from like a year or two ago when I had my mountain bike. Oh man. That's like open space. I don't like that. I don't like how there's like nothing coming out of that. I sure hope that's connected to everything. Maybe I need to check the instructions. Chain's tight. And it's pre-lubed. How's that? Okay, well, what's this wheelie mode I've heard about? I don't know what kind of thing you're showing me, but it sure seems like it doesn't have that. Okay, Strike. You have a wheelie mode, but what is that? Okay, quick little update. I just got off the phone with the people over at Throne, but they said that wheelie mode is a sham and it's all for marketing. So if that's what you came here for, I'm so sorry. This is not how I wanted that news to be given to you. But good luck. Keep seeing this kind of content, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.